In 1995, when we were in opposition, I'd left the FT to work for Gordon Brown. He was the Shadow Chancellor. We met with Tony Blair, and I presented a paper saying the next Labour government should make the Bank of England independent in order to get the stability in the economy to allow us to do the other things we wanted to do on public services and on jobs and on wages. And then, the Monday before the general election in 1997, Gordon Brown said to me, in a hotel room in central London, he said, "I've been thinking about this. If we're going to make the Bank of England independent, we should move immediately. I don't want to get stuck in monthly meetings with the governor. We should just have the first meeting, make them independent, and let them get on with it." And I then spent the next 2 days in that hotel room writing the draft of the letter from the new Chancellor to the Governor Eddie George to say, we're going to make the Bank of England independent, and here's how we're going to do it. And the changes that have happened since the financial crisis, the new Financial Policy Committee in the Bank of England, I think they all restore that focus on financial stability. I don't think it undermines monetary policy independence. I actually think it's possible to have the Bank of England worrying about, in low inflation, jobs growth and employment, and whether the wider financial system is stable, because they all end up working together. The one thing you can absolutely guarantee is whatever system we have to keep inflation low and finance stable and to make our economy work for everybody, the Bank of England is going to be absolutely at the heart of it, as they have been for the last 20 years. And when we come back in 20 years' time for the 40 Years On conference, it may not be exactly the same system, and there may be a few different faces in the room, but the Bank of England will still be at the centre, delivering for the British people.